Hello everyone, and welcome back to English TalkHub. I hope you are having a wonderful day today. In this episode, we are going to talk about cleaning my room using simple and easy English. This podcast is perfect for beginner English learners who want to improve listening, vocabulary, pronunciation, and daily conversation skills. So please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning English with me. Today is Saturday, and I decide to clean my room because it looks messy and untidy. Sometimes life becomes busy, and rooms become dirty very quickly. Clothes are on the chair, books are on the floor, and small things are everywhere. When my room is messy, I feel less comfortable and less focused. So I think cleaning my room is a very good idea. In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I open the window and let fresh air enter the room. The sunlight comes inside and makes the room feel warm and bright. Then I look around carefully and realize there is a lot of cleaning to do. First, I start by making my bed. I fix the pillows, straighten the blanket, and organize everything neatly. A clean bed makes the whole room look better immediately. After making the bed, I pick up dirty clothes from the floor and put them into the laundry basket. Laundry means washing clothes. Some clothes need to be washed because they are dirty after wearing them for many days. I separate white clothes and dark clothes before washing them. Good organization makes cleaning easier and faster. Next, I organize my desk. My desk is full of books, notebooks, pens, headphones, and empty cups. I throw away trash and old papers that I no longer need. Then I arrange my books neatly on the shelf. A clean desk helps me study better and focus more easily. When everything is organized, I feel calmer and happier. After cleaning the desk, I clean the floor. First, I sweep the floor carefully with a broom. There is dust under the bed and near the corners of the room. Dust makes rooms look dirty and unhealthy. After sweeping, I use a mop to clean the floor with water. The floor looks shiny and fresh after mopping. I enjoy the clean smell in the room. While cleaning, I sometimes listen to music. Music makes cleaning more fun and relaxing. Some people do not enjoy cleaning, but I think cleaning can feel satisfying. When I see the room becoming cleaner little by little, I feel proud and motivated. Small progress can create a big difference. Next, I clean the table and shelves with a cloth. There is dust on many surfaces because I forget to clean regularly. Cleaning regularly is important because it keeps the room fresh and healthy. I also clean my mirror and windows carefully. Sunlight looks brighter when the windows are clean. After that, I organize my wardrobe. My clothes are messy inside the closet, so I fold them neatly and place them in the correct spaces. Folding clothes carefully saves space and makes it easier to find things later. I also check old clothes that I no longer wear. Some clothes are too small and others are too old. I decide to donate some clothes to people who need them. Cleaning my room takes several hours, but I continue slowly and patiently. Sometimes I feel tired, so I take short breaks and drink water. Staying hydrated is important while cleaning and working. Then I continue organizing small items like cables, notebooks, chargers, and accessories. When the room finally becomes clean, I feel very satisfied. The air feels fresher, the floor looks shiny, and everything is in the right place. A clean room can improve mood and reduce stress. It also helps people feel more productive and relaxed. Now let's learn some useful English vocabulary together. The word messy means not clean or not organized. Example sentence: My room looks messy today. Another useful word is organize. Organize means putting things in the correct place. Example sentence: I organize my books on the shelf. Excellent. Another useful word is laundry. Laundry means dirty clothes that need washing. Example sentence: I put my laundry in the basket. Very good. Now let's continue. Many people feel lazy when they think about cleaning, but starting is usually the hardest part. After cleaning for a few minutes, the work often becomes easier. Small actions can create motivation. That is true for many things in life, not only cleaning. A clean room can also improve mental health. When the environment is clean and organized, people often feel calmer and happier. It becomes easier to study, relax, sleep, and focus. That is why many people enjoy clean spaces. Sometimes I decorate my room after cleaning. I place plants near the window, arrange books nicely, and add small decorations to make the room feel cozy. Cozy means comfortable and relaxing. A cozy room feels peaceful and warm. After cleaning everything, I sit down and relax on my bed. I feel proud because I completed my work successfully. Even simple tasks like cleaning a room can create a feeling of achievement. Achievement means successfully finishing something important. Before finishing today's podcast, let's review some vocabulary. Messy. Organize. Laundry. Dust. Sweep. Mop. Cozy. Achievement. Excellent job, everyone. You are improving your English step by step. Cleaning a room may seem simple, but good habits are important for a healthy and comfortable life. Small habits like cleaning regularly, organizing carefully, and taking care of your environment can make a big difference over time. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope this podcast helped you practice English and learn useful vocabulary for daily life. Keep practicing English every day, stay positive, and continue improving little by little. See you again in the next episode of English TalkHub. Goodbye, everyone.